Today in this video we will learn about how can I customize cPanel under my WHM root. For that, log into WHM root and then go to cPanel section. Now here, go inside customization. Now enter company details in customization branding settings. You can also enter other details like help link, documentation link as well as company logo. You can also apply webmail logo as well as favicon. Once you are done with all the above settings, click on Save. This will allow you to rebrand your cPanel completely. Now here, under Customization, there is another option that is Customize Style. You can also customize your style as per your need or wish. Once you are done with the changes, click on Update the Style. Now under Public Contact tab, you can enter your public company name, public contact URL and then click on Save.